Hi everyone, I'm Zarin Noshin and today I'm introducing Civic Current Media, a platform native community-first news initiative designed to restore trust in journalism and empower civic engagement. Our mission is simple: to tell bold, accessible stories that make people care and act. Let's begin with the problem. Trust in mainstream journalism is collapsing. Only 42% of Canadians currently trust the news. Young people, in particular, are turning out. They scroll TikTok and Instagram but rarely engage with long articles. Meanwhile, local newsrooms are shutting down due to vanishing and ad revenue, leaving entire communities without access to civic information. This growing disconnect is what Civic Current is built to fix. So, how do you respond to the growing distrust in journalism and the disappearance of local news? Civic Current offers a platform native solution, journalism built for how young people consume media today. That means short form video, visual storytelling, and content that works on TikTok, Instagram, and mobile newsletter. But this isn't just about shrinking the format, it's about making the content more participatory, more transparent, and more meaningful. Our stories are co created with communities grounded in data designed to inspire real civic action. We don't just want people to scroll past the news, we want them to stop, feel, and act. Our audience is primarily 18 to 35 years old in Canadian cities and suburbs, but we also aim to expand into remote areas, addressing what Walters, Bete, and Sherlock call news desert, regions undeserved by traditional media. We meet our audience where they already are, on TikTok and Instagram with mini docs and civic memes, in their inboxes with newsletters for slow journalism, and in podcasts for or interactive maps provide deeper data-driven engagement. At our core, Civic Current is committed to solution journalism. We focus on stories that not only highlight injustice in housing, climate, indigenous governance, and local politics, but also explore how change can happen. We are anti-colonial, non-partisan, and BIPOC-led. We ground our work in foundational ethics of journalism as outlined by Kovac and Rosenthal: accuracy, fairness, independence, transparency, and accountability. Our model takes direct inspiration from the narwhal. As Arik Ligeti emphasized in our class, they build trust through accessible, visual-first journalism. We aim to do the same, to make public interest news compelling and human again. We are not trying to reinvent journalism, we are trying to fund it differently. Our sustainable model blends multiple income streams such as sliding scale membership, foundation grants from organization, custom visual storytelling service for nonprofits and school, and a very selective approach to brand partnership. We'll only collaborate with organizations whose values align with ours. This model allows us to stay transparent and independent while serving communities rather than advertisers. So, what makes us different? We don't copy legacy format. Instead, we tailor every story to the platform it's on, whether it's a TikTok, an interactive map, or a community Q&A. Our team reflects the communities we report on, and our newsroom is guided by trust and transparency. We're inspired by the Narwhal's nonprofit success. Their value first, reader powered model proves that journalism can thrive without selling out. Here's what this looks like in practice. On Instagram, a sweepable cursor titled 5 Things You Didn't Know About Land Back using visual to educate and provoke thought. On the right side, a TikTok short explainer called What Rent Control Really Means in 60 Seconds. Quick, factual, and shareable. Our newsletter dives into overlooked issues like what was left out of the Climate Budget 2025, and our interactive maps show Indigenous land reclamation layered with audio clips from elders and community leaders. Civic Current isn't just a publication, it's a participatory media movement. We believe news should feel like a conversation, not a broadcast. It should reflect the people it serves, not the corporation funding it. And it should give people the tools and knowledge to take action in their communities. So, our goal is not just to inform, it's to connect, empower, and activate.